Alright, stand up.
CES 2018 is a wrap. The world's largest tech show is now complete, and boy if it wasn't an exciting one this year. There were so many launches, so many new announcements, and so many gadgets worth talking about. So this is our CES 2018 roundup in under 5 minutes. Hey guys, this is Akshay from Beebom.com, and CES 2018 was an absolutely mind-blowing event. If you couldn't follow the event, let me save you some time by telling you about the best things that happened. Before we get started, how about you hit the bell icon? It's down there, it's easy to do, and it will notify you of our future videos. Now that you've done that, let's get started. Right off the bat, the most awesome thing at CES was from Vivo. Yeah, they showed off a phone with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and yes, it worked. The interesting thing is that from the reviews we've heard, the scanner works beautifully well, even if it is a little slow. This is one thing I can't wait to try out for my own. Yes, I want to try out a Vivo phone. This is one thing I can now cross out of my bucket list of statements to say. Razer showed off yet another concept this year. Project Linda is Razer's version of Samsung DeX, but better. At least that's what it looks like. It's basically a laptop with a 13-inch 120Hz display, a keyboard and a battery. The Razer phone goes in the place where a trackpad would be, and the laptop uses the phone's processor and RAM to work. The phone itself is used as a trackpad. It looks bizarre and awesome. This year, CES more or less marked the death of Cortana. OEMs have started bundling Alexa with their PCs, and they say it will work in tandem with Cortana. But I like to think that Cortana is going away. It wasn't very good to begin with, and Alexa has more skills that can be leveraged. Plus, you'll be able to control your smart home from your laptop as well. Samsung. There's no CES without Samsung going overkill on TVs, and this year Samsung went overkill on overkilling TVs with a massive 146-inch MicroLED TV. Yeah, 146 inches. The MicroLED part is important because it allows the TV to achieve OLED-like color volume and depth in a thinner form factor. Oh, and did I mention it's 146 inches? Sorry, I just can't get over that yet. Google was everywhere at CES trying to slow Alexa's roll. The company announced that it was partnering with Sony, JBL and others to make smart speakers with Google Assistant and a display. It will run on the IoT-oriented Android Things operating system and will definitely compete with the Echo Show. I like to think they'll call it the Google Home Show just to screw with Amazon. Oculus teamed up with Xiaomi to launch a new standalone VR headset called the Oculus Go. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 821 for some reason. The headset is expected to be launched in early 2018 and offer VR experiences to people at a more affordable price point. Talking about electric cars, Chinese company Byton showed off a concept SUV that will make your jaw drop. Facial recognition, cameras instead of rear view mirrors, a 49-inch dashboard display, yeah 49 inches, and a lot more. It will be available to purchase next year, or so the company claims, and will cost $45,000. When it comes to gaming, Predator is one of the names you can't miss out on. Acer showed off the Predator 9000 at CES, and wait till you hear the specs. Intel Core i9 processor running on 18 cores, up to 128 gigs of RAM, and dual GTX 1080 Ti in SLI configuration. The desktop starts at $1,900 for the base model, with the top model costing, well, I don't know how much, but it will be very costly. Sony showed off new smartphones. Well, new by name, old by design, but I digress. The XA2 and XA2 Ultra are mid-range offerings from the company with Snapdragon 630 processors. The XA2 has a 5.2-inch display and the XA2 Ultra has a 6-inch Full HD display. The company also launched the Xperia L2, a budget offering with a 5.5-inch HD screen. Sony didn't say anything about the internals, but I think a Snapdragon 400 series processor and probably 2 GB of RAM should be in there. Those were the most important announcements and launches at CES this year. Obviously, this isn't an exhaustive list of the things that happened. You can download our app or check out our website for detailed coverage of the event. But while you're here, why don't you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.